Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Marant Bay, St. Thomas, and we're going to give you an update on the Marant Bay Urban Center. Now this development is what you call a game changer. It's on 25 acres of land, and it's basically like a mini, what's the word? It's basically an urban center where you're going to find commercial buildings, you're going to find government buildings, you're going to find banks. So straight ahead now to the left is where the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation building is going to be. And then beside it is going to be a call center. And then at the back, that's going to be Heart Trust NTA. And then to the right of the white building, you're going to have commercial buildings. That's where you're going to find Hilo Supermarket, Burger King, and other entities that rented stores. Now this model works very well, and the entire urban center is booked out. The entire urban center. Now you're going to see some standalone stores at the front. One is Juicy Beef and another one is KFC. Those will have drive-thrus. So this model works really well, and the government is planning to duplicate it across Jamaica. They are actually building one in Port Antonio. Not sure which other location has started. There's another one that has started, but the name just slipped me. Okay, so this now to the right, all the way to the right, that's going to be the tax office, the PICA office. Those two buildings in front, the one at the back is Juicy Patties, the one at the front is KFC. And that building all the way to the right now that has the green tarpaulin, that's going to be the courthouse. So as you can see, you have a lot of government infrastructure here as well as a lot of commercial space. And that road you're looking at is the Southern Coastal Highway. It's going to be renamed the Paul Bogle Highway. And that road is responsible for the success of this urban center. That highway takes you from Harborview to Marant Bay in about half an hour. And it goes all the way to Port Antonio. So because you can get to Marant Bay so easy and I guess quickly and efficiently on a highway, a lot of people who never had stores in Marant Bay are now rushing to find locations in Marant Bay. And Marant Bay is an old town. So you're not going to find a lot of modern infrastructure like what you find here. So that's why this urban center is sold out, because it's modern buildings, modern infrastructure, water, telecom, cable, internet, it's all here. Now they said the completion date, or this project would be finished by September of this year or October this year, but based on what we're seeing, I think this project will finish in 2025. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But regardless of when it finishes, this is the future of Jamaica. This is the future of Jamaica. Every town needs this kind of infrastructure. Modern courthouses, modern tax office, all the fast food restaurants, big large supermarkets, banks, you name it, it will be here. So this model will be duplicated around Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.